If your Android emulator is not working and you are seeing HAXM installation failed or VTX not enabled errors in your Android Studio, so don't worry, in this video I will show you how to fix this issue step by step. Assalamu alaikum guys, hi, my name is Ijaz Ali and welcome back to my YouTube channel. You are watching Loyawala. So without wasting the time, let's start. So Intel Hardware Accelerated Execution Manager is a tool used by Android Studio to run the emulator faster using your CPU's virtualization. If HAXM is not installed, the emulator either run very slow or would not start at all. You may see errors such as HAXM installation failed, VTX not enabled, or HAXM is not installed. So let's fix them one by one. So first of all, restart the computer and enter BIOS settings by pressing F4, delete or ESC. Then look for Intel Virtualization Technology or VTX and make sure it is enabled. Save the settings and then restart your PC. Sometimes HAXM fails because Microsoft Hyper-V is not enabled. To disable it, go to Control Panel, and search for Programs. Then click Programs and Features. And you can see here on the left side, turn Windows features on or off settings. You have to click on that and then uncheck Hyper-V. In my case, it is already unchecked. You can see here. And second thing, you have to search virtual machine platform and Windows Hyper-V platform. Then save settings and restart the computer. After restarting the computer, you have to open Android Studio. Go to Android Studio. Go to SDK Manager. Now go to SDK Tools, this, and search for Intel x86 Accelerator, this one. Guys, you have to tick on Intel x86 Emulator Accelerator HAXM installer and let it install. Now open your emulator. If it starts quickly and no errors appear, it means your HAXM issue fixed. One more important thing I would like to inform you that guys, if you are using an AMD processor, HAXM will not work. In that case, Android Studio uses an Android emulator hypervisor driver for AMD processor instead. If this video helped you fix HAXM error, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. If you are facing any other Android Studio or emulator problem, please comment below. I will make a solution video on it. Thank you. Fi aman Allah.